Hello, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. There's a bee buzzing around my head, so I'm going to move here and get away. But this is week number 2 of my garden series, and I moved a few things around here next to my entrance. I've got a bench over here now, and on this side I moved my plant over there, my potted plant. So my garden really went crazy this week. As we walk in, you will see here the beds I showed you last week. This is the yellow squash. I would say it grew at least three times as big as it was last week. It rained not for 3 days, but it rained 3 days this week, for a little bit each day, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And so the fertilizer, I'm sure, helped. That's my zucchini. I would say it tripled in size. And those are my cucumbers. And I planted another cucumber there in the corner. I had bought it last week, and then I apparently left it at the store, so went back and got it, planted it. These are my tomatoes. They grew quite a bit this week. I'm filming this video 1 week from last week's video, so this is 1 week's growth. And last week it was early Sunday morning. This week it is in the middle of the afternoon, but as you can see, I have a flower down there and some other flowers on my tomatoes over there. So they're growing well. I did some weeding in the garden beds yesterday. So that's done, but I still have to kill some weeds here in my garden paths today. I killed them last week, but I think they need a little bit more help dying. So, and over here, the rest of my zucchini. They're doing very well, nice and green, and growing well. So I hope they keep up the good work. I'll have to read the directions and see if I need to apply some more fertilizer, but they're doing well as they are. So that's it for this week, and I will come back next week with an update. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye-bye.